Aloha. I want to tell you a little bit about what this workshop that we have coming up has done for my life, what it's meant for me. And so, first of all, the workshop is a meditation workshop. It's the Awakening the Third Eye workshop. It's coming up Saturday and Sunday, this February 3rd and 4th. I took this workshop about 4 years ago, and it's made such an impact on my life. My life has changed dramatically, and the things I value and I want to say create in my life are much different. I was operating under this belief system that if I had the husband, if I had the money, if I had the big house, then I would be happy. I didn't realize how materialistic that was, but I just thought it would make me happy, and I got all of those things. I had every single one of them, and at the same time, and I was not happy. I was not happy at all, but I didn't even realize it because I had the things, I checked all the boxes. And through this, starting with this workshop, I started to see things differently. I saw through those belief systems that I was carrying around that I had not consciously agreed upon. I didn't read this and say, yeah, I'm going to believe that. They just kind of seeped in over the years. And the last 4 years of my life since I took this workshop have been progressively fuller and fuller of the things that I do consciously choose in my life and consciously value, instead of those unconscious things that when I was operating under those unconscious beliefs, I just created this life for myself that ticked all the boxes, as a friend of mine says. But I didn't want it. I wasn't happy. And I can say today that my life is more full of happiness and truth than it has ever been. I'm 38 years old, and it took me 35 years to see through all this programming that I was carrying around. And this may not be your story. You may get something completely different from the workshop, but there is something about this energy that comes from this lineage, from the Clear Vision lineage, that if you want it meaning truth, you'll get it. And so if you're interested, please message me or go to my website, Big Brave You, and we can play together this weekend, because that's really what it's all about, is we go inside and we play and we get to connect. And join me. Thanks.